Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. Today I might sound a little different because I finally went out and got myself a microphone to kill all the echo that you've maybe seen in some of my older videos. So today we have the Comica wireless microphone. This really cool device, as you can see, comes in a nice carrying case like so and has a receiver and two transmitters. One in which I am wearing or holding right now, and it comes with some really cool accessories. So let's get it unboxed. Let's check it out. Let's test out the mic, which you are hearing right now, and also show you what it sounds like with this mic off and how that sounds. Actually, we can probably do that right now. Let me mute. Now you're going to hear the volume coming out of my regular phone. All right, I am voicing this video over with my new microphone. So the Comica is for cameras, phones, computers, real-time monitoring, one-key noise reductions, one-click muting, rotatable IPS display, and a working range up to 200 meters. This thing's got it all, baby. Now let's get it unboxed and see what it can do. Well, you already know what it can do because you're hearing me right now, and I probably sound pretty dang good. Now we're just going through the warranty cards, and let's get to the actual unzipping of the mic. The carrying case looks really good, nice, rugged, definitely has a nice zipper. Nothing's going to get stuck over time, so it should definitely last. Voila, there we go. Okay, so we have our device here, which holds the transmitter and receiver. And then we have our accessories up top, which you can see. You got our mic cover, which is great. Our USB-C charging, 3.5 millimeter TRS to TRS adapter, 3.5 millimeter TRS to TRRS, 2-in-1 audio cable, USB-C cable, and the two microphone filters. So you have everything you need. I did have to buy one USB-C adapter to 3.5 millimeters. So you may want to purchase that as well, so you can connect to your smartphone. So the product features noise cancellation and muting, mono, stereo, and safety output, 4-level gain adjustable, real-time monitor via rotatable IPS display, 20-hour battery life, and 656 feet of wireless transmission range. And the device, I gotta say, they're nice, small, compact. They will clip right on your shirt. Look at that. They look really cool. But they're nice and compact, so it's, doesn't get in the way. It comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver as well. And like I said, the receiver has a nice IPS display that's rotatable. You have your mute buttons and your buttons to move from stereo to mono, and your safety button. And it's cool. You got 2 of them. And you can charge these independently or use the carrying case on the inside to charge. Look at this nice display panel. You can monitor audio dynamics, battery life, volume modes, all in one. After taking the sticker off, the IPS display looks great. You can do your modes, your volume A, C, and you got your USB-C port for charging and for monitoring. It's compatible with DSLR cameras, smartphones, and computers as well. As you can see here, I'm hooking it up to the 3.5 millimeter jack on my laptop. And the receiver sits just like so. And then I can just take the mic, attach the microphone filter, and within a matter of seconds, I can begin speaking. You can use this on Zoom calls. You can do live streams, anything you need. Quite great. And that was the Comica Vimo C3 wireless lavalier microphone. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.